Well, it is now time for Modern Motherhood with Jacksonville mom. We've got Blakely and her daughter Daisy joining us with something fun for the kiddos to do this summer when they're, you know, all cooped up. Maybe it's a rainy day or you just need to take a break from the heat. Anyway, great to see you guys.
Yes, thank you for
So,
having us.
Daisy, thank you so much for showing us how to make what?
Slime.
Okay, so what do we need in order to do that?
Glue and activator.
Oh, an activator. So how did you initially get into this? Because how would you even know? I guess you introduced her?
I don't know how it happened, honestly. I don't know. Someone
kids
gifted her
love it.
slime and she decided she wanted to learn to make it. She's a little scientist. Oobleck. We made oobleck at home, which I made as a child. So
okay, awesome.
She made oobleck, which is cornstarch and water.
Okay, yeah. I think I have heard of that one. All right, so we need glue. You already put some glue in here, right? So what would be the next step?
Shaving cream.
Shaving cream.
So
and as a mom, I was going to ask you, is this a little crazy though?
Yeah, it's a little nerve-wracking because it's messy, and we live in a house that has a lot of carpet, so that's scary. We have to have a special station for. You go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead, girl. Oh wow! All right, and so we're not measuring.
We don't measure.
No.
Okay, so it's not like baking.
Right. You just kind of figure it out as you go along. It's a little trial and error.
Oh my!
And what does the shaving cream do?
It makes it fluffy. You don't need it.
So you don't need it.
The more you put in there of shaving cream, the more fluffy the slime will be.
Look at this
It
guy.
will deflate.
It will deflate. You can start mixing.
Okay.
You may go ahead and mix this. So she's got all kind of fun things. You can keep it pretty simple, or she likes to add things that make it change colors in the hot and the cold.
That's really neat.
Or some that make it metallic, some glow in the dark.
She's like,
I know. She's like, let me do it.
So what's your favorite type to make? Because you told me off camera that there's like different kinds. So what's your favorite kind?
My favorite's not fluffy.
Not fluffy. Oh, interesting. Now, is this an example of a fluffy one that I'm holding here? Okay, so you like the ones that's not. So what would it be if it's not fluffy? Even flatter? Or more like liquidy?
More stretchy.
More stretchy. Oh yeah, kind of breaks when you stretch this one. So tell us about Jacksonville Mom, because you guys have so many fantastic things on there for families.
We share everything from local places to come see to things to do with your kids, maybe outside of the norm.
Yeah.
Especially now that it's summer break. I mean, we all are in survival mode.
Exactly.
We gotta do what we gotta do.
This is a little bit of a stress reliever too, I'm not gonna lie. Just kind of squeeze
really
it.
is.
So what does she have here now? Is this
This is contact solution.
contact solution? Okay, and what is that? Is that the activator?
Yes.
Ah, and so what does the activator do?
It makes it form into slime.
Oh, it's so cool. So that's the last finished touch there?
That's
Well,
the
also
baking soda will help it kind of come together a little bit more too. But you just keep adding a little bit more here and there until it's the consistency that you want.
Yeah. So when you go to the store, if let's say we don't have any of these at the house, what do we need to put on our shopping list? Glue.
So definitely glue. You can do clear or white.
Okay.
Shaving cream if you want it to be fluffy. Some kind of activator, which is either going to be
color if you don't want it.
Okay.
contact solution, or you can use Tide laundry detergent.
Really?
Yeah. So you might have a lot of this stuff at home
activator?
as the activator.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
I forgot.
And then this is fabric softener, and it helps make the slime just a little bit softer.
Interesting. And then where do you find all these like cool colors?
So these we got on Amazon. We got glow-in-the-dark powders, all the different things. I bought these containers for her to collect all of her slime in.
This is changing
print out little stickers that say slime to put on this?
It comes with stickers.
Oh, it does?
It does. Yes,
Oh
the package
my
comes with it.
gosh.
So everything you could need.
This is changing color powder.
So when it gets hot or cold, it will change a color. So what do you put it like in the fridge?
No, just
Walk
like
outside.
ice pack or something.
Oh, God.
Can heat
She's
up
like,
a mug.
just walk outside. It'll be hot enough that it's just going to change the color. This is so cool. Well, tell everyone the website where they can get all your information.
JacksonvilleMom.com. She's got 3 recipes of slime up there, plus all the other fun stuff that you might want for summer. But Daisy's Slime Time with Daisy is now up on the website.
Can I touch that? Now, well, I'll let you.
It's not sticky. It's sticky.
She's like, I got more activator here. Oh yeah, let's actually. Can I turn it to the camera really quickly before we go? I just want to show them. It almost looks like marshmallow fluff.
It does.
See how? Oh.
And it's just fun to play in and make bubbles.
It's starting to activate, though. I see it. Well, thank you so much, Daisy, for showing us how to do that today. You excited for summer break?
Yes.
Awesome, and good to see you as always.
You too.
And thank
Thanks
you
for
so
having
much
us.
for always giving us some really cool ideas.
Yeah,
Even if we don't have kids, I want to make some slime.
Absolutely.
All right. Well.